Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do zoom in effect on CapCut. So first of all, you're going to choose where you want your zoom in to start. So for example, I'm going to start it somewhere here. And what you want to go ahead and press on is be on video, basic, transform, and then scale. Where it says scale, you will see here a keyframe. Add a keyframe, you want to press on it. And once you have added the keyframe, now you want to add another one. So for example, let's do a quick zoom in. And let's add it somewhere here. Add another one. And now once you will add another one, on the second one you want to go ahead and just zoom it in like so. And now let's play the video. Now it's normal and now it zooms in, and you can also do another keyframe and zoom it out to the first section. And now that's how it will look like. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.